Welcome to the Real Estate Manager Wishlist Addon tutorial. This add-on allows visitors and users to save their favorite properties for future reference. Let's explore how it works. To add a property to your wishlist, simply click the Add to Wishlist button on any property listing. You can view all your saved properties on the Favorites page. Each property is listed in a table with details such as the thumbnail, title, type, and status. These columns can be customized by specifying field names in the Fields and Wishlist page setting. You can select multiple listings using checkboxes and contact the respective agents using the form at the bottom of the page. To get started, download the Real Estate Manager Wishlist Addon zip file from wprealestatemanger.com. Then, install and activate it from your WordPress dashboard. Once activated, the wishlist button will automatically appear on archive and single property pages. Now, let's configure the wishlist settings. Head over to Real Estate Manager Settings and then Wishlist. Here, you can customize various options. Add to Wishlist button title. Set the text for the Add to Wishlist button. Remove from Wishlist button. Define the text for the Remove from Wishlist button. Added heading and description. Customize the message when a property is added. Remove heading and description. Customize the message when a property is removed. Inquiry heading. Set the heading for the contact form on the wishlist page. Alert title. Provide alert title when no property is selected. Default value is empty. Alert description. Provide alert description text when no property is selected. Default value is please select properties to contact. Fields and wishlist page. Customize the table columns by specifying field names, such as thumbnail, property title, property type, property status. Email subject and content. Define the email subject and template for contacting agents. Each of these settings changes how the wishlist feature appears and functions on your site. Before using the wishlist feature, you need to create a wishlist page. Simply add a new page and insert this shortcode rem wishlist now. Publish the page, and it will display all saved listings. As an admin, you can see which users have saved which listings by going to the Agents Wishlist section in the Real Estate Manager dashboard. This gives you insights into user preferences and interactions with your property listings. That's it. The Real Estate Manager Wishlist Addon makes it easy for users to save and manage their favorite properties. Start using it today and enhance your real estate website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.